Welcome to Lesson 1. Technology hardware all have one central means by which all of us organic carbon-based intelligent life forms can utilize it, an operating system. So, in order to operate any device, our hands, eyes and mind attempt to use must also require the output combination, which are the monitor and keyboard. Smartphones have advanced exponentially, and the research shows in studies how ergonomically hazardous they are to our well-being for most of us. Those who are here reading these here instructions must keep in mind there are 7.88 billion of us on this M-class planet, and not one of us is all-knowing, all-powerful, all-seeing, all-present, because we are not God. As middle visual ground between the person is the operating system for the technology device to be controlled. It is the direct line of access that allows procedures to be applied as a way to get accomplished results of what a person wants the computer to do. Initial time it takes to complete a result varies of what the goal in mind is for a person or collection of teams. Every single pixel eyes can see on the screen is that its operating system is made by every micro detail when programmed being absolutely accurately designed. Computer language itself is entirely different than that of any intelligent beings within their makeup at the instant of a moment. Digital devices are operated and built from a standing point on the inside with binary code, which are electrical ones and zero. Every single circuit board in the world and their electronic components are comprised initially by chemical substance properties of silica. They are combined and put together by elements on the planet, within such being mixed and physically formulated in substance bounding of quartz crystal and beach sand, along with other natural rocks and materials found on Earth. Metals such as gold themselves are remnants of stardust that find its way somehow onto our planet. The operating system is the lateral image you see with your eyes, allowing your hand, eye, auditory organ to thought co-coordination, as this physical dimension is exclusive domaining in three-dimensional, and it is not controllable by taste and smell senses. Thank you for watching. Please press like on this video, turn on our notifications, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, this is Agent Corpus Limited.